Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Students, today my topic of discussion would be all about figure of speech. Okay, it is also called as literary terms, as it is known as literary terms, which is used in many of the this as a poetic devices and stuff like that, right? So today my major concern is to teach you all about figure of speech. All right. Now to start with, first of all I would like to start with simile. What is simile? Comparison is made between two different objects having at least one common thing. This comes under simile. So when we compare, okay, in between two similar things, example, I have used two things, one trick and one example. It would be very easy for you all to understand. Trick क्या है? So, like or as. When in any of the sentence, when we use so, like and as, it comes under simile. Example, where the wind is like a withered knife. So, in this particular one, in this sentence, अगर हम देखेंगे तो थ्री हम लोग को क्लू मिल रहा है. Three words. First of all, wind is being compared to knife. Wind का comparison knife से हुआ है. And also here is like. So obviously it will come under simile. Second one, metaphor. What is metaphor, students? It is a comparison, or you can also say comparison is made between two different objects without using any comparison words. Okay, so it's like a simple comparison. To understand, अगर हम simpler words में बोले तो it's like a simple comparison जो हम लोग एक से हम लोग जब तुलना करते हैं, right? In this trick is, am, are, has, have. Okay, example, you have a flower face. So you have a simple comparison. एक को compare किया जा रहा है. You have a flower face. There is no is and like, as or like. So it will come under the factor metaphor. Next one, students, personification, right? Now, if you will see under personification, what is the definition? Giving human qualities to objects or things. मीन्स नॉन लिविंग थिंग को हम लोग लिविंग थिंग जब मानते हैं और लाइक अ ह्यूमन बींग कंपेयर करते हैं या उसको मान के चलते हैं, इट कम्स अंडर पर्सनिफिकेशन, राइट? ट्रिक मेक्स नॉन ह्यूमन थिंग्स seem human. Okay, now example would be laughter holding both her sides. Laughter, so एक हंसी, हंसना को, laughter को हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? Hold both her sides, but which is totally hypothetical. ठीक है, तो it's like that, it comes under personification. Fourth one, students, also I would also like to tell you there would be many definition examples of figure of speech or the literary devices, but here I'm giving you very few because I wanted to make a very short, precise and crisp video for you all, ताकि cut to cut रहे along with trick and example, right? Next one, fourth one is oxymoron. Now, last one. Now, two opposite qualities are added to do the meaning. So, oxymoron means when two एक sentence में जब दो opposite words होते हैं, good, bad, okay, pretty, ugly, तो it comes under the degree figure of speech oxymoron. Now, let's look at some of the trick and example. See, look at the trick opposite word, right? Look at the trick opposite word, okay? Now, example, his new friends is pretty ugly. So, here I have used two, different words. Pretty bhi hai and ugly bhi. So, it will come under the degree oxymoron. Look at the fifth one, apostrophe or apostrophe, right? Now, what is the definition of this? A punctuation mark issued to indicate indicate either possession. All right. So, punctuation mark, it could be semicolon, right? Example, oh. Some examples here. Look at this. I'm trying to make my camera ultra clear for you all. Example, Harry's book. So what is the spelling I have written there? HARRY_S, book. That means I'm talking about only one Harry, singular. Now one more thing is there, okay, one more technique you need to understand. Whenever we put apostrophe just after S, it will show plurality, plural, okay. Boys code, that means am I talking about one boy or many boys? I'm talking about many boys, right? तो यहाँ पे S के बाद में जो लगता है this apostrophe colon, single colon, not colon, sorry, apostrophe, it will come under plural, and before S, singular. Example, oh holy night, exclamatory mark, right? Next one, sixth one would be alliteration, having the same consonant sound. As you know that our alphabet letter from A to Z is divided into, 5 vowel letters and rest of them as consonant letters. तो जब कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर्स बार बार रिपीट होता है ना, इट विल कम अंडर द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच एलिट्रेशन, राइट? लेटर रिपीट, इसी को बना दिए ट्रिक. And which type of letter am I talking about? I am talking about consonant. All right. Example, Kuren's kids kept playing. So what is the first letter? K. Second word, first letter K. Third word, first letter K. And okay, like that. So many first letter, majority of this consonant letter is been repeated. So it will come under alliteration. The seventh one is hyperbole, or hyperbola also you can say. It gives exaggeration statement. Like कभी किसी को आदत है ना बहुत बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना, like राई का पहाड़ बनाना, तिल का तार बनाना, needle to mountain करना. This will come under the figure of speech hyperbola, right? Example, the king's nose was 3 feet long. अब किसका nose 3 feet long होता है ना? So it will come under hyperbola statement. Oh my God, that boy runs faster than a car. It is also hypothetical statement. I died laughing. Who dies laughing, right? So it will come under hyperbole, exaggerated sentences, right? Students, the next figure of speech is onomatopoeia. What's this? Onomatopoeia. Now, what is the definition of this, students? Words that imitate the sound they describe. Okay? जब हम कोई वर्ड बोलते हैं और उसमें साउंड का रिफ्लेक्शन होता है या उसका वो उभर के आता है साउंड का, that will come under onomatopoeia. Example, buzz, splash, boom. Okay? So यहाँ पे boom, the crackers boom, splashing of water. तो इसमें मतलब एक आवाज, like it signifies the sound directly. It will come under onomatopoeia, right? Now look at the first one. I mean above what I have written here. When we enjoy, example of onomatopoeia, when we enjoy a performance, we clap hands, clattering of hands, right? Ninth one is irony. I have made very simple definitions and very simple cut-to-cut examples because जो जितना simple होता है easy होता है. It's really organic explanation, right? Irony. What is irony? Means kadwa sach, bitter truth. It is the use of words that mean the opposite of what you really think, especially in order to be funny. Okay. Trick क्या है? Unexpected part of a situation. Example, this is my brilliant son. कोई सुनेगा तो ओ अच्छा वो तारीफ कर रहा है. This is my brilliant son who failed. लीजिए, this is my brilliant son who failed. तो यहाँ brilliant is a positive word and failed is a negative word. So when we use this type of irony, एक व्यंग type का, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं of course irony. 10th one, paradox. Look at this 10th one, paradox. What is the definition of this, students? A statement appear to contradict itself. कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट मीन्स जब हम एक वर्ड बोल रहे हैं उसी के कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट में, डिबेट में, उसके आर्ग्यू में, उसके खिलाफ कोई दूसरा बोलता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, राइट? ट्रिक, इम्पॉसिबल थिंग्स कीप टुगेदर. दिस इज अ ट्रिक. माई वीकनेस इज माई स्ट्रेंथ. ओ माई गॉड, मतलब हम बोलना ये चाह रहे हैं कि मेरी कमजोरी मेरी ताकत है, मतलब मेरी कमजोरी भी है और मेरी ताकत भी वही है. इट्स लाइक दैट. My weakness is my strength. Paradox. You have to refer, guys, Many of the examples you have to read, and while reading any prose or the poetry, you have to, analyze yourself and see, and you have to categorize which figure of speech, would be more suitable. By repeating yourself and by practicing regularly, you will get to know, right? So everything needs a practice, and of course practice makes man perfect. Now 11th one, euphemism. Euphemism, one I thought I should be telling you this. What is the definition, guys? I'm going to just read it. It is a replacement of a phrase which might be deemed offensive by one which implies the same meaning but does not carry offense with it. Suppose we say, instead of he died, I have written a very simple example. Instead of he died, you would say he passed away. मीनिंग तो दोनों का वही है, रेस्ट इन पीस, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ ही डाइड वी शुड से he passed away. Example, handicapped. So instead of handicapped, we say physically challenged. Instead of mental, excuse me, you're not allowed to tell all this. So mental is, for mental, we fabricate the particular word and we say mentally challenged, right? So it's like that. So fabricated kinds of words, but meanings are same. Okay. Now student, last but not the least, now 12th number, idiom. Idiom मतलब कहावत, मुहावरा जो हम लोग बोलते हैं. What is definition of this? An expression whose meaning is different from the meaning of the individual words in it. Okay. Example, to build bridges. Means it's not like literally we are going to build bridges. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई ब्रिज बनाने जा रहा है. इसका मतलब, इसके पीछे का मतलब, इनडायरेक्ट मीनिंग ये है कि टू प्रमोट फ्रेंडली रिलेशंस बिटवीन टू पीपल. सपोज दो पीपल में लड़ाई हो गई, आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गया, बात नहीं कर रहे हैं या वॉट एवर, तो अगर उनसे पैचअप कराना है तो तीसरा बंदा बोल सकता है, आई थिंक यू पीपल शुड बिल्ड ब्रिजेस अमंग यू, राइट, और अमंगस्ट यू अगर दो से ज़्यादा है तो इसका मतलब कि पैचअप करना, मिलना. Now second example, I have been on cloud 9 all day. So do we have cloud 6, 7, 8 and 9? No, it is cloud 9 means बहुत खुश होना. Okay, when I got my result, I was literally on cloud 9. When I saw you, I was at cloud 9. When I saw my parents, I was very happy. Very happy को बोलते हैं, बहुत pleasing, बहुत खुश को बोलते हैं cloud 9, right? One more example. The class is going to have to be all ears today. All ears means कान, सबके कान नहीं. इसका मतलब है I am listening. All class for listening to the lectures very carefully. Listening. अगर तुमको किसी को बोलना है कि hey, I am listening to you, you continue speaking. So you can also say I'm all ears, right? I'm all ears means I'm listening to you. I'm just hearing whatever you are saying to me. So I'm all ears to you. I'm hearing you. I'm listening you. Students, I hope you have understood this, and please, if you felt it good and if you've understood it, if you really like my channel, please like and do subscribe it, and please, enhance, help or just support me in enhancing my channel more and more. Thank you and have a great day. Take care.